Guys, I just rode one of the best indoor roller coasters on the planet, and I'm telling you, Revenge of the Mummy at Universal Studios Florida is absolutely insane. It's scary, it's intense, and it has a fire effect that literally made me scream. Like, actual fire. In this video, I'm going to break down why this coaster slaps, what makes it so unique, and why we need more horror-themed indoor rides like this. But before we dive in, if you love roller coasters, theme parks, or just want to support a passionate creator, smash that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to Matt Machine. Let's go. All right, picture this. You walk into this dark, creepy tomb, and immediately you're surrounded by ancient Egyptian artifacts. It's like stepping onto a movie set. You think you're just on a fun Universal ride, right? Wrong. Mummy's not here to play. The moment you sit down, there's this slow, creepy build, a couple fake outs, and then bam, you get launched into pitch blackness. That first launch is my favorite moment. I didn't expect it, and my stomach was like, bro, what just happened? Then it gets even crazier. You're flying through the darkness, there are sharp turns, crazy animatronics, and then the fire effect. Guys, if you've ridden this, you know. The ceiling literally bursts into flames and you feel the heat hit your face. It's not a joke. It's not some screen. It's actual fire. And right after that, the ride goes full beast mode. Backward sections, drops you didn't see coming, and a fake ending that tricks you into thinking it's over. And then boom, another launch. This ride just keeps going. This isn't just a roller coaster. It's a full-blown horror movie mixed with a thrill ride. The theming is top tier, the sound design is incredible, and it nails that creepy but fun balance perfectly. Like, Universal didn't have to go this hard, but they did. And we love them for it. Honestly, I wish there were more rides like this. Imagine a Freddy Krueger coaster, or a Saw-themed dark ride. We need more indoor horror coasters that mess with your head and launch you into chaos. Revenge of the Mummy blew me away. I've been on a lot of coasters, but there's just something about being in the dark, not knowing what's coming next, and feeling the fire on your face that makes this one unforgettable. And that first launch, it's a masterpiece. You don't see it coming, and it sets the tone for the whole ride. It's quick, aggressive, and perfectly timed. If you've ridden Revenge of the Mummy, drop a comment and tell me what your favorite part is. If you haven't, you gotta plan a trip to Universal Studios Florida. Like, don't sleep on this ride. It's easily one of the best indoor roller coasters in the world. Smash that like button if you love epic coasters. Comment below if you think they should build more horror-themed rides, because I do. And most importantly, subscribe to Matt Machine if you want more roller coaster reviews, theme park vlogs, and behind-the-scenes content from the wildest rides out there. This is just the beginning. More coasters, more chaos, more thrills. Coming soon. I'm Matt Machine, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.